this vibrant era, innovation propels us forward, while collaboration serves as the cornerstone of our success. We are a leading powder coating factory that refuses to be bound by tradition, but instead shapes the future. In close collaboration with these partners, we collectively forge disruptive coating technologies that are reshaping the world. From furniture to architecture, from transportation to industry, our products are on the present, providing durable protection and stunning aesthetics to projects worldwide. Innovation is at our core. Quality is our commitment. And we are dedicated to delivering unparalleled experiences to our customers. We are not just a factory. We are the realization of a dream, the pursuit of a vision. Join us, and together, let's transcend imagination and create possibilities for the future.